Every student dreams of scoring high grades in class, but not everyone can get them, right? But, in this video, let's see how to score good grades. Based on a student's performance in academic tasks, teachers assign a grade to them from their grading system, which represents the performance standards of that student and explains if he passed the test, course or failed in it. The grading system is a specified criterion based on which a student's work is graded. Like every country, Australia also has a grading system varying for undergraduate and postgraduate courses, honours degrees, and vocational and trade courses. This is the grading system followed in Australian universities for undergraduate and postgraduate courses. This is the grading system followed in Australian universities for honours degree. This is the grading system followed in Australian universities for vocational and trade courses. Since the grading system is now clear, it's time to know how to score good grades. And for that, here are a few simple tips. The very first tip is to be attentive in class. Listening carefully to what the professor explains, the topics are particular about, noting down important points, and completing assignments on time makes scoring grades easy. The next tip for students to score better is to stay organized. This is a look-down idea, but it has a great impact. Staying organized means clearing the clutter, having a proper plan, and completing anything you started. One precious tip for students is to manage their time properly. If you want good grades, you must ensure not to delay submission. For that, you need to block time slots, prioritize things, have time-based goals. A tip that experts have followed and succeeded in life is reading more to write better content. Maintain a reading journal, follow a reading routine, set realistic reading goals. The final tip is to focus on minute details. For it is the minute details that make a major impact on the document and the grades. Focus on your audience, check for errors and maintain consistency and flow in the content. This brings us to the end of this video. So, hope from this video, you got a clear idea of what academic grades are, the grading system in Australia, and the tips for students to score good grades. Thanks for watching.